Hi guys, Jaleesa here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I film a lot of natural hair videos, protective styling videos. So if you would like to keep up with all of that good stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, as you're watching the video, if you find it helpful, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up as well. So I posted on my Instagram story, which product do you want to see me style my hair with? And one of them was a product from Cream of Nature. And I do plan to go ahead and film a video with that too. But you guys really wanted to see this product from Kinky Tresses. So today I will be styling my hair with the Kinky Tresses Coconut Mango Hair Butter. And I will be doing a twist out with this product. I was going back and forth between a twist out and a braid out, but I figure I'm just going to do a twist out to start off with. And yeah, so I also have two other products from their line, Kinky Tresses. This is the Avocado Infusion Leave-In Hair Milk, and this is the Nourishing Hair Oil. So I'm going to go ahead and use these with the hair butter as I am styling my hair. And I'm going to be doing the Loc Method. If you don't know what the Loc Method is, that is the liquid oil and cream method. It's really good for if you are trying to lock in moisture as you are styling your hair. So enough of me talking. I'm going to jump right into basically separating my hair, putting it in 4 parts to get ready to start my 2-strand twist. Alright you guys, so I have already got my hair sectioned off with my clamps, and I have my section back here that I'm going to start twisting first, and my hair has already started getting dry. So I have my water bottle here, and I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair so I can apply my leave-in first. So this is the leave-in right here. This is the Avocado Infusion Leave-In Hair Milk. I'm going to go ahead and get some of that. So this is the product. It is very thick. It's a very thick leave-in, which I don't mind because I like thick leave-ins, and sometimes I like more liquidy leave-ins, but this feels really nice. So I'm going to apply that, and as you can see, my hands are running straight through my hair, and the product is making my curls feel very moisturized. Like, it almost feels like a styler. Like I could just apply this leave-in and use it to just twist my hair. That's how thick it is. So I really don't think you would need a lot of this product. So a little bit will go a long way. I kind of used a lot for this first section, and I don't like to just apply leave-in all over my hair. I like to work it section by section. That way I know leave-in is getting all over my hair. So I have some left over on my hand, and I'm just going to kind of rub it in on other parts of my hair. So yeah, that's the leave-in. So the next product I'm going to use is from Kinky Tresses as well. This is the Nourishing Hair Oil. This product nourishes and seals the hair, helps prevent split ends. So you'll probably want to focus this a lot to your ends. But I'm just going to use a little bit to put over this section, and it also helps to promote growth. So if you're someone who likes to massage your scalp, this product would be very good for that, to promote that hair growth. And it also adds shine. So I'm going to take a little bit of this product too. So when I say a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see that, but just a little bit. It's running down my hand. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. The next product that I'm going to use, the star of the show, is the butter. So this is the butter right here. I've never used this product before, and I'm really excited about it. It smells good. All of the products have like a consistent smell. It does not have a strong scent if you're somebody who just cannot take strong scents. So it's very thick. I am kind of holding it upside down, and nothing is falling out. So it's a very thick consistency. So I'm going to take just a little bit because I put so much leave-in on this section of my hair. I'm just going to use a little bit of butter, so just this on my fingertip, and I'm going to put that on this section. And then I'm going to take my wet brush. This brush has I don't even know what you would call this. This is a paddle brush. This is a paddle brush. This is what I'm going to use to basically smooth my hair out before I twist. And guys, I really like hair butters because they're super thick. I know with my hair type, I have 4A, 4B hair, and hair butters are always good to help me with locking in moisture and just helping me to have a defined look, whether I'm doing twist outs or braid outs. So yeah, butters are always good. So as I'm twisting, once I get to the bottom, I like to just, sometimes I like to take a little bit more product and then just twirl the bottom of my hair. But I already have enough product on this section, so I am just going to take the end and twirl it. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm back, and I actually slept overnight with my twists to let them dry. If you're somebody that's in a rush whenever you're doing a twist out, definitely if you have a hooded dryer, you can sit under your hooded dryer for a couple hours. Or if you have a blow dryer attachment, I use that sometimes because I don't have a hooded dryer. But I actually slept with these twists overnight to let them dry. And I'm going to go ahead and undo these twists. But before I do that, I'm going to be using the Kinky Tresses Nourishing Hair Oil to just prevent some frizz as I'm undoing my twist and to add some extra shine. So as you can see, the definition is there, and I love the hold that that butter gave me. It probably was a combination between the leave-in, the oil, and the butter. And like I said, I did do the Loc Method, so my curls are really juicy right now. So I'm going to go ahead and separate this side, then I will come back to separating this side. Alright you guys, so I am getting a little bit of frizz at the end, so I am actually going to go get my butter, and I'm going to use the butter to add definition back to the ends of my hair. hair is fully separated. I think I have gotten every chunk separated. I've just been putting my hands throughout my head just looking for the chunks that I might have missed. But this is basically my hair all separated. I have not put the pick to my hair at all. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my pick and try to pick this out without messing it up, because the definition is crazy right now. And my hair is super soft, super moisturized. And I'm just going to start at the bottom right here and kind of just stick my pick in a little bit and pick it out, because I love big hair. Alright, you guys, so this is the final results of my hair. I am loving the results. The 3 products from Kinky Tresses, the leave-in, the oil, along with this butter, did a good job of locking in moisture, and then the butter did a good job of adding that definition. There's not anything bad I can say about this product, except that when I got ready to undo my twist, I did have some frizz at the ends. But as you guys could see in the video, all I did was take a little bit more of the butter and add it to the ends so that I could keep that definition on the ends. But that's the only bad thing that I can say about this. The twist, everywhere else, like at the top, through the middle, the definition was there. Just at the ends, that frizz was more evident. So yeah, that's the results. I definitely recommend this hair butter. If you have not tried it yet, I will put a link down below to where you can purchase it. This is something new that I have not seen in stores, so this was sent to me. I was not paid to do a review. I just had this product sitting around, and I decided, why not go ahead and give this a try and upload a review for you guys. And if you would like to try the leave-in and the oil as well, those will be on the website that I link below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have tried these products before, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about my results, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!